My Christmas tree, I'm going to leave it up until after New Year's. Normally, I'm the first to take it down on Christmas Day or Christmas evening. But since I've been in Los Angeles for an entire week and missed Christmas here at home, I decided to leave it up and wait till wait till the weekend. But Christmas Eve is what? Wednesday? New Year's is on Thursday. So yeah, probably Saturday. I have already accumulated a bunch of the stuff on the table to pack in the storage outside in the garage. But for now, I'm going to leave this. So everything else is over there on the table. That was in here. And then this, taking this tree down, will be the last thing. I said that I wasn't going to put this stuff away until after New Year's. Well, this is New Year's Eve. And I feel the need to put my living room back to the way it was. Excuse the lighting. I'll take my time. I got most of the stuff sitting on my dining room table. And I just have to take all the stuff off the tree. Got the containers over there. And just gradually pack the stuff up. These are the containers all lined up. A lot of the stuff that I had in the living room as decor is in these containers, so I'm going to switch. Put it back and put all the Christmas stuff back in the containers and put it in the garage. And over on my table over there, my dining room table, it's got a bunch of the stuff over there that I started stacking up yesterday. So yeah, I'm just going to take my time and put everything back. Take all these decorations off of the tree. And yeah. Clean house. Go back to normal. Happy New Year. And I hope 2026, God forbid, oh God, I hope 2026 is better than 2025. However, Happy New Year, everybody. I'm kind of over this rug. I need something a little wider and lighter. I don't know. I want to try to change it out at some point this year because I'm no longer liking it in here. I had some gloves that came with this tree. I have no idea what I did with them. So I have to use what I got. at. I still have to pack up that stuff on the table over there. Put this over here. Fix this with pillows. Put some more pillows back in there. As you can see, it's all over here. What I'm trying to decide now is if I want to move the chairs on this side and put the chair over here by the table. I kind of like it by the window, but I also would like a little side table there as well. Now I can take that little bitty table right here and move it over there. That's my little laptop table. Or I can take the little round table I have in the bedroom with the other chair, because I decided to put the other chair like this in the bedroom. And use that either or. It's like I need something there, or maybe I don't. And then this is here by itself, so I'm gonna sit on it for a while and think about it. If I want to put the chair over on this side or leave it where it is. Or, oops, sorry, foot. As you can see where I'm at now. Last but not least, now I can pack up the items on the table and store them away. And I'm done with this, putting my living room back together. I would love to wish you all a prosperous and happy new year. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.